you're in your 20s, avoid these habits at all costs. 1. Living without a clear goal. Your 20s are too valuable to spend wandering without direction. If you don't know what you're working toward, it's easy to waste years chasing distractions instead of progress. A clear goal gives your actions meaning. It helps you decide what deserves your time, what to ignore, and what sacrifices are worth making. You don't need to have your entire life figured out, but you do need a direction, because when you have no destination, every path feels the same, and before you realize it, the best years of your life have passed without ever becoming the person you wanted to be. 2. Scrolling more than learning. Your phone knows more about you than you know about yourself, your patterns, your weaknesses, the exact content that keeps you scrolling longest. And it uses all of it every single day to keep you consuming instead of building. The scroll is designed to win, and in your 20s, it's winning the most important years of your life. Flip the ratio. More learning, less scrolling. One skill-building session for every mindless hour you take back. Because the knowledge compounded in your 20s cannot be bought back in your 40s. 3. Waiting for motivation. There will never be a perfect day to start, never a morning where everything aligns, where energy is high, distractions are gone, and motivation arrives exactly when you need it. That day doesn't exist, and every day you wait for it is a day your 20s spend themselves without you. The people building something real right now are not more motivated than you. They just made one decision you haven't made yet, to start anyway, regardless of how they feel. Make that decision today, before another year passes waiting. 4. Chasing short-term pleasure. One of the fastest ways to waste your 20s is to keep choosing what feels good over what helps you grow. You chase entertainment instead of education, comfort instead of challenge, and instant rewards instead of long-term success. It feels harmless because the pleasure is immediate, but those small choices slowly become habits, and those habits eventually become your life. The future you've been dreaming about is built through delayed gratification, not instant satisfaction. Because every time you choose what's easy today, you make it harder to become the person you want to be tomorrow. 5. Not learning high-income skills. Your 20s are the best time to increase your value. Yet many people spend these years consuming content instead of building skills. Learning a high-income skill like copywriting, coding, video editing, graphic design, or AI can completely change your future. Skills open doors that degrees alone often can't. The earlier you start, the more opportunities you'll have to earn, create, and grow. Because money follows value, and the most valuable investment you can make in your 20s isn't a new phone or a new car. It's becoming someone whose skills are impossible to ignore. 6. Spending more than you save. Here is the most expensive mistake of your 20s. Spending everything you earn, not on big things, on small ones. The daily coffee, the impulsive online order, the subscription you forgot about, the night out that cost more than planned. Individually harmless, accumulated over years, devastating. Your 20s are not for consuming, they are for building. And building requires capital. Save before you spend, every single month, without negotiation. Because the person who saves in their 20s buys their freedom in their 30s. 7. Quitting too soon. Your 20s will test you, repeatedly, aggressively, in ways that feel deeply personal. The project that stalls, the skill that won't click, the goal that keeps moving further away no matter how hard you push. And in those moments, quitting will feel completely reasonable. It isn't. Every person who built something real went through exactly what you're going through. The difference is they stayed one more day, one more week, one more attempt past the point where giving up felt justified. Be that person, because persistence in your 20s pays dividends for the rest of your life. 8. Staying around negative people. The people closest to you are shaping you, whether you realize it or not. Their standards become your standards. Their habits influence your habits. Their ceiling quietly becomes your ceiling, not because you chose it, but because you absorbed it through proximity. Negative people don't always look negative. Sometimes they look like old friends, comfortable relationships, familiar faces that have been around so long, leaving feels wrong. But staying costs more than leaving ever will. Protect your circle fiercely, because who you surround yourself with in your 20s determines who you become in your 30s. 9. Never reading books. Your 20s are the best time to fill your mind with the right ideas. Yet most people spend more time scrolling through social media than reading something that could actually change their life. Books don't just give you information, they change the way you think, solve problems, and make decisions. Every page is a chance to learn from someone else's experience instead of repeating their mistakes. The knowledge you gain today will continue to benefit you for years to come, because the quality of your future depends on the quality of what you feed your mind today. Your 20s won't last forever. The choices you make today will shape the life you live tomorrow. Don't waste these years chasing distractions. Use them to build a future you'll be proud of. And if this hit different, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because here we keep bringing content that help you, bro.